Benavides, and I ride for Red Bull KTM Factory Racing Team. You never know what is coming, you know. So I think that is the big mystery of that race, you know, because everything can happen in just 1 second, and that can change everything for good or also for bad. Winning Dakar is everything for me. When I won, was the best feeling of my life. So I really want that again.
First part of the Dakar was really hard, and we drive a lot of hours of racing. But if you look the times on the general, are really close each other. From 1 to 8 or 7 more or less, we are really close. So I think, of course, I see the general, but I think from the next 6 days, it's necessary to be really focused day by day, and then of course we will see how it is on the final days. But until now, of course, it's nice to be in the front. I am happy with that, but I want to keep calm and try to do the best. Amazing, it's incredible, this feeling. I dream with this, yeah, my first victory with KTM and here in the Dakar 2023. I am so happy, really hard. We pushed like hell, like a lot of days, and you can see it with the difference, 43 seconds with two riders, so it's unbelievable. I think it's never happened this, and yeah, I am so happy to be in the first place.
The most stressful moment has been the last stage, because for sure we were leading the race, but the gaps were really small, and we knew that all the riders will fight between them to win the race, of course, and it was not team orders, so this has been really stressful, especially when we realized that it was a muddy stage. It was raining during all the night, these waypoints in each node, so yeah, those 2 hours has been really stressful.
This result is a huge big step for us in the rally team. We are so happy. It's incredible. The last weeks, months, they were so stressful, so full of work of the whole team. Put such a great effort. The guys were working so hard, and it's really nice. I'm happy to have also for all the team the payoff and payback to have this incredible victory with a full podium. And the riders also are on a really good level. We did a good training, and they were fighting for seconds inside with the colleagues, and it's just amazing to be in this situation for us.
I'm beside the riders, maybe the most happy man on the planet. It's amazing after this journey and this tough race, starting it today with 12 seconds split. I mean, and having still 3 boys here, all of them healthy, most important today. So yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, I mean, that's crazy. Like after so many kilometers, we thought 3 days ago they're gonna decide and we can stabilize. 2 days ago, stabilize. 1 day ago, no. Last night it was tighter than ever. So I mean, all the 3 boys did an amazing job. I mean, our whole team did good, but what they did and how they kept the pressure, and then, you know, between Toby and Kevin this morning, it's like a motocross race for 140 kilometers, full gas. That's normally as a team you should take a team decision last night to keep them safe. But it's about the win of the Dakar, so we could not take any decisions for them. It was I'm happy they came back healthy because the pressure was on and they did amazing today.
تفضل سموكم.